Oh yeah, look at this, how pretty it looks. We have a new interface for TryHackMe. Okay, but let's do what we came here to do. We have task number 9, cracking password protected zip files. Let's download the task files. And then task number 9 is part of John the Reaper module, which is part of the complete beginner path on TryHackMe. Cracking a password protected zip file. Yes, you read that right. We can use John to crack the password on password protected zip files. Again, we're going to be using a separate part of the John suite of tools to convert the zip file into a format that John will understand. But for all intents and purposes, we're going to be using the syntax that you are already pretty familiar with by now. John, zip to John. Similar to the unshadow tool that we used previously, we're going to be using the zip to John tool to convert the zip file into a hash format that John is able to understand and hopefully crack. The basic usage is like this: zip to John, and then we provide the options. Here is the file, right? The zip file, and here is the output file. For the options one, allows you to pass specific checksum options to zip to John. This shouldn't often be necessary. Zip file is the path to the file you will wish to get the hash of. So basically the task file that we downloaded. The greater sign operator is this is the output director. We're using this to send the output from this file to the output file. So basically from our zip file, we use the greater sign to output the result to the file that we create. This is the output file, is the file that will store the output from. Example usage zip to John, and we just provide the zip file greater sign and then our text file. Cracking, we are then able to take the file we output from zip to John in our example use case called zip_hash.txt. And as we did with unshadow, feed it directly into John as we have made the input specifically for it. And here we see John. This is basically after we use zip to John, right? We do the usual John crack, hash crack. Practical. Now, have a go at cracking the attached secure zip file. And here we have answered the questions below. What is the password for the secure zip file? And what is the content of the flag inside the zip file? Okay, so first we have to find out the password for the zip and then access it in order to get the flag. Okay, let's see what we have in here. We have the zip file, zip to John, and then secure, and we say secure.txt. Actually, I forgot the greater sign. And we list. Now, we use the simple John command, John, and then we say word list will be this one. Format. Let's not specify the format. Let's just add here secure.txt. Let's see what will happen. We have the password, which is password 123. We'll copy this. Let's see how is the content of secure. Actually, secure.txt. This is the content of the secure zip file. Now let's say unzip, but it's not first, is secure this. Now the password is password 123, extracting the flag, and we say cat flag dot, actually is a folder. We go zippy flag.txt. Well done, hash royal. Okay, cool. This was pretty awesome. So password, pass 123, and this is the flag, right? Pretty cool.